Have you ever wondered how batteries work and what types there are? How these small powerhouses manage to light up our world? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we will unravel the mystery and delve into the fascinating world of batteries. Let's begin with understanding what a battery is. Essentially, a battery is a device that stores chemical energy and converts it into electrical energy. This conversion happens through a chemical reaction which creates a flow of electrons in a circuit. All batteries, irrespective of their size or type, function on this basic principle. Now moving on to the types of batteries. There are several types of batteries, but today we are going to focus on four main types: alkaline, lithium-ion, nickel metal hydride, and lead-acid batteries. First up, alkaline batteries. They are named after the alkaline electrolyte potassium hydroxide. These are the common household batteries like AA, AEA, and 9-volt batteries. Alkaline batteries are known for their long shelf life and ability to deliver high energy output. However, they are not rechargeable, which means once exhausted, they need to be replaced. Next, we have lithium-ion batteries. You'll find these in most of your portable electronic devices, like smartphones and laptops. They have a high energy density and can store a lot of power in a small space. Plus, they are rechargeable, making them a popular choice for many applications. But they do have a downside. They degrade over time. Moving on to nickel metal hydride batteries. These are rechargeable batteries that offer a good balance between cost and performance. They are often used in hybrid cars and power tools. The downside? They have a lower energy density compared to lithium-ion batteries. Last but not least, we have lead-acid batteries. These are the big, heavy batteries often used in cars and other vehicles. They have a high power-to-weight ratio, making them ideal for starting engines, but they are not suitable for delivering smaller amounts of energy over a long period. So, to recap, alkaline batteries are long-lasting but not rechargeable. Lithium-ion batteries offer high energy density and are rechargeable but degrade over time. Nickel metal hydride batteries are a good cost-performance balance but have a lower energy density. And lead-acid batteries are great for starting engines but not for long-term energy delivery. There you have it, a quick dive into the world of batteries. Remember, each type of battery has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the key is to choose the right battery for the right task. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.